Hi, this is Abhishek. I have known Nimya since last 3 years. She has completed her 6 years with Pioneer. So hearty congratulations from my side to her. Speaking about Nimya, she is professionally and personally a great human being. She has guided me since last 3 years in Pioneer. She has had a lot of patience handling me as well as my other colleagues in the organization. A great team leader to work with, a great motivator. Once again, thank you Nimya for all the motivation guidance throughout these 3 years, and congratulations. Hope to see more of you.
Hi, this is Akhilesh. Basically, I have completed 3 years in Pioneer and I have been working with Nimya since last 3 years. Would like to congratulate Nimya for completing her 6 years in Pioneer this month. Very congratulations to you with all my blessings and everything. One thing about Nimya I like is the way she handles the team. I mean, it's very rare to see a team leader that calm and patient. So I would just suggest Nimya, if I have to give any suggestions to her, keep it that way, keep it very simple. You are doing best what you are doing right now. God bless you, have a great career ahead.
I want to congratulate Nimya for completing her 6 years with Pioneer Management. I know her from last 2.5 years, and I never see a person, a leader like her, who's very supportive, motivator and dedicated to work. I know her qualities, like she's very much supportive and she's always there to help us as a good leader. The things which I learned from her to be supportive and to work in a team, and I wish her very good luck for her bright future.
Hi Nimya, Priyanka here. First of all, I want to congratulate to you. आपने 6 years complete किए Pioneer में, and I have joined this organization since last 1 year. I'm working with this organization and under you. तो आपके साथ काम करना बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आपसे सीखने को मिली एंड डेफिनेटली निम्या मैम का नेचर बहुत ही अच्छा है, सबके लिए सपोर्टिव. सारे जितने भी एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं सबको सेम ट्रीट करती हैं, किसी के साथ कोई भी पार्शलिटी नहीं, और बहुत सी चीज़ें नई नई सीखने को मिलती हैं.
Yeah, hi Nimya, Leena here. See, basically, first of all, congratulations that you have completed 6 years in Pioneer, and almost I have been knowing to you like 5 years. We are together working, and your working with you was a good experience. I got to know so many things, and basically you are quite calm, patience, and the one of the best thing is like, the things whatever you know is like you share it to each and everyone. You don't keep it with you. So once again, congratulations, best wishes.
Hi, this is Sheetal. I'm an intern in a Pioneer. I got a chance to work in a Pioneer and be a member of the Pioneer family. And Pioneer provided me an opportunity to improve myself, my communication and overall personality in a manner which helped me to land in a successful career in the future. And through this journey, I got an opportunity to work under Nimya ma'am, and as a person, she is very calm, organized. I learned from her the work is worship, and along with that, her dedication towards work inspired me a lot. So best of luck, Nimya, for future, and thank you Pioneer for everything.
Hi, this is Twinkle here, and I am an intern over here working with Pioneer. It's a 2-month internship, and it's been a great experience till now working with Pioneer, as they all work as a family over here, and it gives a great motivation. And I would like to congratulate Nimya ma'am, the kind of leadership quality she has in herself and the way she motivates all the interns working in the organization. It really boosts us up for working. So thank you Nimya ma'am for this.
Yeah, hi, this is Lalzi. I'm an intern here. I've been here for the past 2 months, and this Pioneer has been a place where you can perform and you can understand what would be your career into. This is the best place to boost your professional life. As in, we learn in college we learn theoretical knowledge, but here we understand how theory and practical knowledge is different. And here the colleagues here are very friendly. They have never treated as an intern. They have been treated as just as a professional, and I'll take this opportunity to congratulate Nimya ma'am for completing her 6 years here. She has been a wonderful lady working for us. She has been a team leader for us. She has supported us throughout our journey, and I'll congratulate her for her great experience.
Hi, Sarthak here, and I'm an internee at Pioneer Consultancy. Actually, this is such a great experience working over here. It's been 2 months I've been working over here, and I've gained such a great knowledge over here working under the leadership of Nimya ma'am. And I would like to congratulate her for completing her 6 years successfully in Pioneer Consultancy. And I would just like to congratulate her and hope for a better future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonas. I'm an intern at Pioneer, and I've learned a lot during my tenure of 2 months here, and my confidence level has increased, and my interpersonal skills, communication skills has improved a lot. I would want to congratulate Nimya ma'am for finishing her tenure of 6 years, and she is a very good person. She is very supportive, helpful, and very good team leader. So thank you.
Yeah, I am Sufyan and I'm doing my internship in Pioneer Placement here, and it has been an amazing experience working here, and like everyone is very loyal and highly motivated in the team, and yeah, and I want to congratulate Nimya ma'am for completing successfully her 6th year in this firm, and yeah, she is a great leader and very supportive. Thank you.
Hello, this is Ashwin. I am a recruitment trainee at Pioneer. Pioneer has taught me a lot on how the corporate life is. I would like to congratulate Nimya ma'am for completing her tenure of 6 years in this organization. She is an excellent person and a good team leader from whom I have learned a lot.
So finally it's me, Nimya here. Today is a very special day for me as I've completed my 6 years of experience in Pioneer. And Pioneer, it's just my life. That's the first and last word I would like to say. Thankful to Sarla Sharma, my MD. She has given me this opportunity. 6 years is obviously a very long journey for me, seen a lot of ups and downs. But the best part is I've always been learning more and more. And again, it's unlimited, many more pending. I would really like to highlight one thing. Pioneer as an organization has given a lot of importance to ethics and integrity. And the best part is that we have given equal opportunity, whether it's a team leader or a newly joinee recruiters, to come up with their new initiatives so that they can implement, and it will at the end affect the company's process. So when we say the process improvement, again, it's a very important part. So this has really been always having an adverse good effect in our organization. So Pioneer for me, it's simple. People can come here, apply here and give their best. We have never given any kind of limitations. So at the end, I would really like to thank and give a lot of best wishes to Pioneer. And I'm seeing myself for years and years and be a part of this team.